Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today I have something very unique and special for you. It's a co-branded and special edition smartphone from Remagic and Transformers. And before I've checked the Remagic 7S Pro Bombi Transformers edition, and we also have checked the Transformers Remagic 7 Pro, yes, Optimus Prime edition. And this is the basic Remagic 7, and this time we bring the Deception Magtrain. So today we will have a very quick, very simple unbox video on this special edition and also another Transformers series co-branded smartphone from Remagic and Transformers. And next I'm going to show you what's inside this amazing box. And first we will talk on the appearance, the designs, and then we will talk on the basic specifications and about smartphone, the design as well. The design, the processor, the screen, the battery, the camera, and so on. So next, let's open it. Before we open it, I'm going to talk on the design as well. Actually, to be frank, I like Remagic and I like Nubia special edition smartphones because they really spend a lot of time on the smartphones. From the design, from the every details, they will put a lot of their time and design it and provide a very nice co-branded product. As we can see from the box, it's have a purpose, the classical color of the Deception Magtrains, and also we can find the Deception name, words, and also the logo of Transformers from the box. And this box is very, I don't know, say cyberpunk or very customized, combined the Remagic and Transformers element. And then after the design box, I'm going to show you here is the edition today we got. It's the 60 GB RAM plus 512 GB RAM, Remagic 7 Magtrain edition. Okay, so next let's open it. Yes, this box also have a very special and very special design, like the wing here. Open like this and like this, and then we will open it. In front of us we can see the badge, the transform badge, and also the user manual. I think the user manual and the case package box. And here there are two drawers here. This is the cooling fan drawer. So they provide the customized cooling fan here, and also here in this drawer they provide it's a customized Transformers charger. It's a Type-C to Type-C charger. Yes, so this is also cool. And besides charger, also the cable is customized cable. We can find the Transformers classical logo here. So this is a cable, charger, and cooling fan. And here inside this box, provide the mold stickers, the user manual of the cooling fan, warranty card, instructions, and also here to provide the amazing these stickers. And also they have a very cool case. Very cool case. We find the Transformers Megatron logo here, and a lot of purples and mentals, materials, colors and materials used in this very nice case. Though it's very hard, but the design, I like it. It's very hardcore design. So this is the case. This is the case they provide. And okay, let's put this stuff aside and check the smartphone itself. So okay, after we open, after checked other stuff inside this box, finally, we got a smartphone. Okay, I think I left something. It's here. It's the badge. Classical and official authorized Megatron badge. Transformers. Very nice and very good quality badge. Fans, we love it so much. And okay, this is all the stuff inside this box, and then let's go to the smartphone. Okay, first let's wake up the smartphone, and then we will talk on the specifications. Yeah, so this is the final appearance of this model, the Transformers Real Magic 7S Pro Megatron Special Edition. Okay. Yes, for this phone, is the special edition is based on the Real Magic 7, and it have the CPU. It have the Snapdragon 8 processor, and as we can see, it have the 16 GB RAM and 512 GB RAM. So it have the one of the best specifications for the processor. Though it's not the Snapdragon 8 Plus, but also it's very fast when you use this kind of processor. It's a 4-nm processor, and this is for the CPU and for the RAM and ROM, and also for the RAM and ROM they use LPDDR5X and UFS 3.1. So it's no need to worry about the specification and the speed of this smartphone when you play games. For this amazing gaming phones. And then for the screen size, it's have I can show you the For this phone, it's have a 6.8-inch AMOLED full screen, and it support the resolution rate is support 24,100 and 1080. So it's a very decent screen on this amazing good smartphone. So when you play games, no delay, no delays, and you can get the very details of the games. And yes, when you use it, when you touch it, no delay. And also the refresh rate is support up to 165 gig by 165 hertz refresh rate. This refresh rate is much higher than the 7 Pro. Because the 7 Pro is only support 120 hertz, and also the other size and the screen size and the resolution rate are still the same. Yes. So this is the certificate that says better than the 7 Pro. Okay, we will enter the UI soon, and also then it also have this is the independent IC shoulder triggers. Yes, here it's not physical buttons, but it's a touch and feeling buttons. And also for this gaming phone, it have a ICE 8.0 mature cooling system for this new amazing phones. It have a 20,000 ROMs per minute for the fans to cooling the cooling the smartphone. So it means 1 minute is have a 20,000 turns. The fans working very fast to cooling smartphone, bring a lot of heat, and the processor and the smartphone will keep in a very good working addition status. And then about the camera. For this one, it's have a 1 to 3 triple camera, and also have a single front camera. For the camera, it's have a 16 megapixel front camera, and it's have a 64 megapixel triple camera. It support 4K video recording. This one for main camera. And the second is have a 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and also 2 megapixel secondary camera. So for the battery, for the specification about the camera, is not the flagship specification, but also it can meet most of the daily use as well. And also for the battery, this one have a 4,500 batteries. For this part is 500 less than the Pros. Okay. Yes, now the phone is already weaker. And so for the 7 Pro is at 5,000, and for the charger is also not so efficient. For the 7 Pro is at 135 watt fast charging, and this one is only have 120 watt fast charging, but it's also very fast. No need to worry about the batteries. 7 Pro 50 minutes fully charged, and for this 20 to 25 minutes fully charged. So no need to worry about the battery. Okay, now so we enter the system. We can turn on the fan, and then we can hear the fan works. And here there's a hole. It will bring the heat from the smartphone inside smartphone. Bring the heat inside smartphone. Also here, visual show the trigger buttons as well here. Yes, now the fan is working, and also for the other specifications, we can check it through the settings here about the phone. Device name, okay. Here. Okay, here. RAM, ROM, CPU, the Magic OS, so we can find a lot of information here as well. And then next, let's go to the UI. As we can see, when we wake up smartphone, we got a very attractive UI. And here, when we wake up smartphone, we find the Spectrum. It's wallpaper, dynamic wallpaper. Yeah. So it's very cool, and also they redesigned the icons, the UI of the phones, and even I think even when we charge it, okay, it's have a special design for the charger here. Okay, so do you like this kind of special edition smartphone from Magic and Transformer? Well, if you are really a Hasbro Transformer fans, maybe you can check this one. This amazing cyberpunk or robber style, and in the the manufacturer style smartphones. It's a really cool. Whoa. Yes. And also the last I will show you this button is the whoa gaming mode buttons. When we customized each here and like here. You use this button and we get customize each of your games. It's the gaming mode buttons. Dedicated game space to give your console like game experience, bring new appearance of super bass, shoulder triggers to help you with your game easily, and also plugin library can help you with tech. So this is gaming mode button. Whoa. Next, new superpower, new, low, yes. So here is a shortcut button for the game mode, and we can add our favorite games here. And when the games run in this space, it can run more smoothly and more fast. Game lobby. Next. Okay. The instructions are very useful. This is IP from Red Magic. Move. So here, three plays. The heat can come out from the smartphone inside. Also the design. Yes, so this is today's very quick unboxing video on this Transformer Special Edition smartphone. So do you like this Magtron edition, your Magic 7 Magtron edition smartphone? We talked a lot on the specification, on the designs, and also my personal views about this phone. Maybe you can comment and let me know your thoughts on this model. Yeah, the IP phones now very popular in the market. Many brands worked with IPs, big IPs, Transformers, Naruto's, also the Doraemon's, and One Piece. Yes, even the rematch Dragon Ball. So maybe one day you will find to provide the IPs co-brand phones you like. So thanks for watching. This is very quick, very simple video on these phones. Thanks. Bye bye.